One of the most important lessons which we need to learn, usually it takes us 10, 15, 20 years to learn this lesson, is the lesson of enough. This person you see on the screen, his name is Sandeep. And those of you go to Worli Seaface. Do you go to Worli Seaface, any of you? Yeah? In the morning? Because evening is a different set of activities. I'm talking about the morning. So in the morning, if you go to Worli Seaface, you'll see a lot of people running, jogging, and doing other kind of stuff over there. And he sits right next to that point where the sea link begins. And you must actually go and meet this person and verify what I'm telling you. So when you'll go to him, he sells wheatgrass. And wheatgrass is an organic supplement which a lot of people consume. And he sells that, and he gives that to you for 20 rupees a cup. He also has, if you notice, another steel container kept next to his wheatgrass apparatus. If you ask him what's in that, he will tell you it's neem juice. And if you ask him for a cup of neem juice, he'll give it to you. You ask him for another cup, he'll give you another cup. And then you ask him, how much does this cost? He will tell you this is free. Now here's his rationale. He says that I have to buy wheatgrass, and that is why I buy the wheatgrass, sell it, and make money out of it. Neem is free. I just pluck it out of trees, and I make the juice out of it, and I give it away for free. So I asked him, why don't you charge for the neem also? Not 20, you can charge 5. He says, no, I make enough money with the wheatgrass. This is something that I give away for free. This person has learned the lesson which a lot of us take a very long time to learn, what is enough. And how do you define what is enough? You define when you have had enough by having an alternate source of revenue and choosing not to exercise it. That is when you have arrived in life and you can say, I've had enough. And to my mind, this CEO of a medical establishment actually does more CSR than some of the biggest hospitals that I've ever seen, because they do 2% CSR, which is mandated by the government. He does 50% CSR because he's realized that he's had enough. A lesson that very often in corporate India people learn after 25, 30 years after getting cholesterol, ulcer, all those kind of other perks of corporate life. That's when they start realizing that they've had enough.